The defense ministers of France and Germany have both stated that the European Union should not involve itself in decisions regarding weapons exports, delivering a firm criticism of the European Commission's plans to facilitate trade in the EU arms market. According to German Defense Minister Boris Pistorius during a joint press conference with French Minister Sébastien Lecornu on Thursday evening, decisions about weapons exports belong entirely to national governments. He emphasized that neither the EU nor the European Commission has any role in this area. These statements reflect a strong and unified rejection from the two key EU members against the Commission's initiative to relax export regulations in order to accelerate arms production. The EU executive has suggested that countries should be able to bypass the requirement for approval before reselling essential parts used in weapon manufacturing. Numerous nations impose restrictions on how weapons and other sensitive items may be utilized, maintaining the authority to deny the resale of defense equipment to other countries. France has expressed opposition to the relaxation of these regulations within the European Union for several months, as Euractiv reported earlier this spring. Paris contends that such changes would exceed current agreements concerning the transfer of defense-related goods within the European Union and would effectively remove France's ability to oversee where vital components are sold. Nonetheless, despite protests from Paris, the Commission has continued to advocate for easing export regulations, most recently introduced last month in its package aimed at simplifying defense sector regulations, dubbed the Defense Omnibus. The Commission has also indicated plans to amend the existing Intra-European Union Transfer Directive, which manages trade in defense-related goods within the Union, in the forthcoming months. However, Pistorius's comments significantly reinforce France's stance against these proposed changes. Lecornu stated, "There is no way the European Commission can interfere with the responsibilities of member states, particularly in matters regarding arms exports.